Anil made money by fits and starts. He would borrow one week, lends the next. He keep worrying about his next check. But as soon as arrived, he would go out and celebrate. It was actually his means routine. It was in his routine that somehow he was managing his money, which he was having. Somehow he was managing with that, and sometimes he take money, and his income was not regular, so sometime he earned money, and sometime he was unable to do this, and he was as for earning his money, as he was not having a fixed job or fixed income, so he was doing different activities, different tasks, and he was, when the time comes, he was getting his check, and after that he try to celebrate with his friends that he get his check, he gets his payment. Then it was in his routine. It seems to wrote for magazines a queer way to make a living. It was a queer means it was strange. It was quite a strange way to make his living. One evening he came home with a small bundle of notes. The day came when he carried some money, some notes in his hand, saying he just sold a book to a publisher. And he said that day that this actually he got this money in respect to in respect as he already sold one book to the publisher. At night, I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. At night also I saw is used for the Hari Singh. Hari Singh observed him that he is putting this money under his mattress. I had been working for Anil for a long time. It was almost almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, I had not done anything in my line of work. As I was working for him from last 1 month, but I did nothing wrong with him. I did very few things, like I stolen some money only from the shopping. Nothing else I did. I had every opportunity for doing so. I was having opportunity to do so. Anil had given me a key to the door. I was also given one key for the door of the house. Anil had given me key to the door, and I could come and go as I pleased. As per my convenience, as per my happiness, I can come and go accordingly. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. The people I met in my lifetime, he was the most trusting among them. And this is why it was so difficult to rob him. That's why somehow my conscience was not allowing me to rob him, to get thievery. It's easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford it to be robbed. And he is also considering one concept. He was also thinking about one concept, that it is easy to rob a person who is greedy because he can be able to manage the robbery which is done with him. But it's difficult to rob a careless person or careless man. But it is not good to, it is difficult to cheat a person who is having blind faith in me. Sometimes he does not even notice he is being robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of his work. And sometimes if he is not going to pay attention even on this thing, that he is being robbed, so it is not going to give any sort of pleasure to. Well, it's time I did some real work. Now it's time came when I was going to do some real work. In his concept, this theory was a real work. I told myself I am out of practice. And he discussed with himself that he is not having the practice now, he is losing his practice of getting engaged in theory. So he decided to uh, rob the person. As he was a robber, it was in a habit, so he don't want to leave his practice. And if I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friends after all. And I thought one more thing, one more concept arrived on that time in my mind, that if I am not going to take this money from Anil Singh. So what do he do? What does he do? He will waste this money on his friends. After all, he does not uh, even pay me. And one more thing was there, he's not paying even a single penny to me. I was not being given any money in respect to his job. Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. He was asleep at the night time, and a beam of moonlight, some light was coming, stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. It was coming on his bed. I sat up on the floor. I sat up on the floor. I seated on the floor. Sat is the it is for sitting. He seated on the floor, and when he seated there, he was actually in planning to rob that money, to rob Anil Singh. Considering the situation, I was observing the situation with with the great care. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. He was also planning that if he is going to take money from Anil Singh, so he can easily board in the train, uh, which is named as Lucknow Express. Fine. Or the train which is going to Lucknow, it is express train. Slipping out of the blanket, crept up to the bed. He crept to the bed. Anil was sleeping. Crept. It's a third form, a second form. Creep means creeping. Uh, Anil was sleeping peacefully. Anil was taking a sound sleep. His face was clear and unlined. His face was quite fine. There was no wrinkle, no line was there. Even I had more marks on my face, and I was having more marks, though mine were mostly scars. And the which one on my face? These were the scars. My hand slid under the mattress, searching for the notes. The bundle which was placed by Anil Singh, I placed my hand to search that bundle. When I found them, I drew them out without a sound. When I get the bundle of notes, I drew it very politely, very silently. Even I tried my level best that he should not understood what is happening. So without any sound, without any disturbance, I took it. As he was having good hand in robbery, so he did so. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. He sighed for a while and then he turned towards Hari Singh. And when he's turning towards me, when he is turning Hari Singh, so he observed this, he is turning towards me. I saw, I was startled and quickly crawled out the room. Hari Singh was surprised at that time to see Anil, and he crawled out of the room as quickly as possible for him. When I was on the road, I began to run. And later on, he came on road. When he came on road, so he started running over the road. I had the notes at my waist. The notes which I was having, these were available. These I tried to tied in my waist, held there by the string of my pajama, and I tied with the thread or with the cord which I am using in my pajama. I slowed. He was having that money in the cord or the uh, in that string of pajama. I slowed down to a walk and counted the notes. And somehow I get my speed less and then I counted the note. 300, 600 rupees in 50s. These were the notes of 50 rupees and the amount was 600. I could live like an oil rich Arab for a week or two. I was thinking that by this money I can easily live like I am a person from the Arabian country, or I am just that much rich as an uh, rich from the Arab who is earning the money through the oil.